What if I told you there's a one number that can secretly tell you if your project is failing, even before your boss finds out? Well, it's called Cost Performance Index or CPI. CPI equal to earned value divided by actual cost. Imagine you plan to spend $10,000 by now, but you have already spent $12,000 and you are still not done. Your basically progress is not 100%. That means your CPI is less than 1 and you are overspending. If CPI is greater than 1, well, you're doing better than planned. Simple, right? It's literally your project's health score. CPI below 1 means project is in trouble. CPI above 1 means project is in healthy condition. And once you understand this, you will never fear the cost report. So, next time if someone asks how the project's going on, don't panic. Just check your CPI because that one number tells the whole truth.